Hey, buddy, you like it? Oh my gosh! Look at it.
Look up at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hey. Look at the rainbow there. That's pretty cool. Nice tracks. That's the one that I want.
Aquele outra cobertura lá em cima, tá vendo?
Oh yeah.
Big
Big house.
one. Okay.
You didn't listen.
Now they're gonna say, keep saying going back.
That's for the Halloween. What the fathers? The fathers are not here today, huh?
Aquela que tem lá no começo, the orange.
I know.
You should stop there, have some orange.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a small city.
What's up, man?
Yeah, I'm
Banana,
filming.
é pra crescer. Oh, muito bonitinho. Oh, cute. Look at this. There's a shark right there. Cute. Look at the cat. Ah, que bonitinho. Olha a igreja. Oh, this is the town.
Ooh, the tunnel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, the skeleton. Oh, no, you were. Yeah. If you can go to Disney, go to Fort Myers. Easy. Spooky.
Amor, o apartamento, que massa!
Oh yeah. Spooky. Nice color.
Olha aí embaixo. Imagina o preço. Vou mudar pra
That's
praia
not
hoje.
expensive.
Ai, não, vou mandar o dele que ele mora aí.
It's nice. You have a great deal.
Hawaiian apartment. Fire station.
fire station.
Come over.
Look at that in the fire station.
Fire station, the church.
The dinosaurs. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh yeah. The Smurfs. It's better now? Oh yeah. Oh yes. There's a lot of wildlife there. Look at that. Animal dream. Animal dream. Cemetery head. Oh, the windmill.
Ele vai adorar o trem com aquele jogo. The windmill, Bobby. É uma viagem boa, viu? Very good ride. Look at that. Look at that.
If you drop, don't drop anything here. That's cool.
Muito massa.
You can walk here, you can do a lot of things. It's big here.
Ele adora esqueleto. A gente tem que comprar uma loja de dólar pra ele. Amor, que cat? Black cat. Black cat. I know, it's another one. Realmente ele tá levantado.
Oh. Look at the condo.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Imagina o preço. 1.800.
No, not really.
Já? Mais? Mais ou menos. E é tudo isso ruim, tá vendo? Tudo
Oh, yeah.
fechado.